Hi guys, welcome to Gold. Today this video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our video with the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming week, we will be waiting for the following economic headers to be released. First of all, there will be some important economic headers to be released from China on Monday and then on Wednesday and on Friday. Those economic headers are highly important because of the situation that China is passing through with the spreading of the coronavirus. Back to the United States, we'll be waiting for the manufacturing PMI on Monday, and we will be waiting also for the factory orders on Tuesday and the services PMI on Wednesday, and we will have the jobs data on Thursday and the non-farm payroll on Friday. That's all. We'll move on now to the numbers. On the last week, gold traded between 1563 as a low of the week to 1590 as a high of the week. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. On the last trading session of Friday, gold printed a closing price nearby the highs of the week, around 1588. The numbers rounded and the market is closed. Gold is trading in a bull trend and it's above its all daily simple moving averages, which is highly bullish, and the momentum is extremely high. For the RSI readings, it's moderate on the daily chart, 66, 72 and 71 weekly and monthly. Supports are seen about 1581, then 1565, and then the major psychological number 1550, and then we have the resistance about 1600, then 1611 and 1622, which is highly important. That's all. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again. Coronavirus event is unfolding, and as it does, the demand for the safe havens has to increase definitely, and it has to increase in a noticeable way. The virus has no cure, and there is also no vaccine at the moment. And according to the medical institutions that they are surveying and studying the matter, they said possible to be having a vaccine or a treatment for this virus, but at least it will take 9 months minimum to get it into the hand of the people. Now the economy of China is suffering, this is obvious, and the economies of the other great and big countries, they are going to suffer as well, because China participates simply into the global GDP with 16% of the global GDP. So you can imagine if China is this productive, what could be the situation. We have the aviation sector, as we said in our last video, it got hit. Now all the flights is suspended or cancelled to China, and from China, transportation within China is no more transportation, according to my knowledge. And the luxury goods manufacturing and other big companies that does have plants into China have already suspended their operations. We have a situation that is grave and serious, and I doubt that the market makers have even a chance to manipulate the prices of either safe havens or stocks anymore. Gold is the king of all the safe havens. It's the God's money, if you wish to call it. And now we are looking for correction in the stocks market globally, and particularly in the United States. This correction should be around 10% or even little more, and against this drop in the value of the stocks, there should be an appreciation in the value of the safe havens, all of them: gold, silver, platinum. We are looking for a gold of 1700 plus, a silver of $20 plus, and a platinum of 1200 plus. This correction should take place immediately by the first week of February, and it should end before the end of February. So you have 28 days of a collapse in the stocks market and an appreciation in the value of gold, silver, and the platinum. Should be the case. I don't see any presence for the market players or market makers to do anything. Now we are in a situation that we are all equal. The situation is bad on everyone, and they have no room. No one would like to buy Tesla at $600, okay, because it will go to 1,000 or 2,000, or maybe they will make cars and put them on Mars. This is something else now. There is a severe situation that could kill the people if they cannot find a solution for it. So the focus now is about this virus and how this event is going to unfold and how it's going to be contained. Also, we have to look for gold to close above 1622. This is a validation you need it technically. With a close above 1622, we can be almost 99% sure that gold is heading to 1700 or 1750 or even 1800. And from there, it could also climb to 2000. This year is going to be interesting. That's all for this week. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week in another video.